An important update has come into effect regarding pension tax relief claims, introducing new rules that require everyone to provide evidence when claiming higher amounts of relief. Revenue and Customs, or HMRC, has strengthened the regulations surrounding how higher earners can claim additional pension tax relief. These changes mean that from now on, the process for claiming extra pension tax relief will be more rigorous, with stricter requirements to ensure claims are accurate and properly supported. One of the key changes is that applications for extra relief can no longer be made over the telephone. Instead, all claims must be submitted digitally through HMRC's online services or by postal correspondence. This shift aims to reduce errors, improve record keeping, and speed up the overall processing time for pension tax relief claims. Previously, only claimants contributing over £10,000 to their pensions were required to provide evidence from their pension providers when making a claim for higher rate tax relief. However, an internal review by HMRC revealed that nearly one-third of claims for amounts under £10,000 contained mistakes. These errors ranged from non-higher rate taxpayers incorrectly submitting claims, to misreporting contribution amounts, and even seeking relief on pensions where contributions are made via the net pay method, which already accounts for full tax relief automatically. The net pay arrangement is a pension contribution system where payments are deducted from your salary before income tax is calculated. This means savers in net pay schemes receive their full pension tax relief automatically, and generally do not need to take additional steps to claim more relief. Most workplace pension schemes for higher earners operate this way, simplifying the tax relief process for many. On the other hand, for those contributing to personal pensions under the Relief at Source system, only basic rate tax relief is automatically applied. This means the pension provider claims 20% basic rate relief on your behalf, but if you are a higher or additional rate taxpayer, you must reclaim the extra 20% or 25% relief yourself. This is typically done through the self-assessment tax return or by submitting a claim directly to HMRC. Each year, approximately 80,000 such claims are submitted, which highlights the scale of the process and the importance of getting it right. To reduce errors and ensure fairness, HMRC now requires all higher rate pension tax relief claimants, regardless of their contribution amount, to provide supporting evidence from their pension provider when submitting claims. Charlene Young, a senior pension and savings expert, explains that this change means anyone claiming higher or additional rate tax relief must contact their pension provider for evidence of contributions made throughout the year. Many providers offer this information through online accounts or apps, but if you cannot find the evidence online, it is recommended to contact the pension provider directly to request the necessary documentation. Once you have this evidence, you will need to submit it to HMRC when making your pension tax relief claim. This extra step is designed to protect taxpayers' money and make sure that only legitimate claims are processed, ensuring the tax relief system remains fair and accurate for everyone. An HMRC spokesperson has emphasized that the threshold for providing evidence has been lowered to prevent incorrect claims and protect public funds. The agency also highlighted that customers can quickly and easily submit their claims online, along with supporting evidence, making the process more straightforward and efficient than before. For those wondering if they are eligible to claim additional pension tax relief, the first step is to check your payslip. Your payslip will typically display your national insurance number and details of any pension contributions made from your salary. This information is essential for understanding whether you qualify for extra tax relief. Next, it's important to identify what type of pension scheme you are part of. If your pension contributions are made under a net pay arrangement, your contributions are deducted before tax is applied, meaning your tax relief is already accounted for and no further action is necessary. However, if you contribute under the Relief at Source system, your contributions are deducted after tax, and basic rate relief is automatically claimed by your pension provider. In this case, you need to reclaim any additional relief yourself. If you are unsure about the type of pension scheme you belong to, you can ask your employer's payroll department or get in touch with your pension provider for clarification. Understanding this will help you determine the correct process for claiming your pension tax relief. To make a claim, you must contact HMRC directly. There are multiple ways to do this depending on your situation. If you complete a self-assessment tax return, you can include your pension tax relief claim within that return and recover any additional tax relief owed to you. If you do not usually file a tax return, you can still claim the extra relief directly through HMRC's online service, which is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Alternatively, you can submit your claim via postal mail, although this method tends to take longer to process. The online process is recommended for faster turnaround times and to reduce the chance of errors or delays. After you have submitted your claim and provided the necessary evidence, HMRC will process it and apply any additional pension tax relief due to you. This relief can be provided in different ways. You might receive a tax refund, an adjustment to your tax code, or a change in your annual tax bill. The important thing is that once your claim is approved, you will benefit from the full amount of tax relief you are entitled to, helping your pension savings grow more efficiently. The introduction of these new requirements reflects HMRC's commitment to safeguarding the pension tax relief system, ensuring it remains robust and fair for all taxpayers. While these changes mean a bit more paperwork and effort for claimants, they ultimately promote transparency and accuracy in pension tax relief claims. For anyone contributing to a pension and wondering about their eligibility for extra tax relief, staying informed about these changes is key. Gather your pension contribution statements or evidence early, understand your pension scheme, and be prepared to submit your claim through the appropriate channels. This approach will help you avoid delays and secure the additional tax relief you deserve. In conclusion, these new HMRC rules require all pension tax relief claimants to provide evidence from their pension providers when applying for higher amounts of relief. Telephone applications are no longer accepted. Claims must be made online or by post. Those in net pay schemes generally do not need to claim extra relief, but personal pension contributors under relief at source must actively reclaim any additional relief. The process can be completed via self-assessment or directly through HMRC's online service, with adjustments made to tax codes or tax bills once claims are approved. By following these guidelines, UK pension savers can ensure they receive the full benefits of pension tax relief, helping to boost their retirement savings. These changes represent an important step in maintaining a fair and accurate tax system that supports savers and protects public funds alike. Taking the time to understand and adapt to these updates will empower you to manage your pension tax affairs confidently. Make sure to check your pension contributions regularly, request the necessary evidence from your provider, and submit your claims through HMRC's recommended channels. Doing so will ensure you make the most of the tax relief available and continue to build a secure financial future. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Drop a comment below and let us know what you want to see next. See you in the next video.